Hello. Welcome to your English practice. Today, we are at a coffee shop. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin. I walk into a coffee shop in the morning. The place smells like fresh coffee. It feels warm and comfortable. Soft music is playing in the background. I look around and see many people. Some people are working on laptops, some are talking with friends. Some are sitting quietly and drinking coffee. I walk to the counter. The barista smiles and says, "Good morning." I smile and say, "Good morning." The barista asks, "What would you like?" I think for a moment and look at the menu. There are many options. I say, "I would like a cup of coffee, please." The barista asks, "Hot or iced?" I say, "Hot coffee, please." The barista asks, "What size do you want?" I say, "Medium size is fine." The barista says, "Anything else?" I say, "Yes, I would like a sandwich." The barista asks, "Which sandwich do you prefer?" I say, "Chicken sandwich, please." The barista types my order, then says, "Your total is $5. I take out my wallet and pay. The barista says, "Please wait over there." I say, "Thank you." I move to the waiting area. I stand and watch people around me. Everyone looks busy and focused. I hear my order number. The barista calls my name. I walk to the counter and take my coffee. I say, "Thank you very much." The barista smiles and says, "You're welcome." I find a seat near the window. The sunlight is soft and warm. I sit down and relax. I take a sip of my coffee. It tastes rich and warm. I feel calm and happy. Next to me, two friends are talking. They are having a casual conversation. I listen carefully. One person says, "How are you today?" The other replies, "I am doing well, thank you." They talk about their plans. They talk about work and daily life. Their conversation is simple and natural. I try to understand their words. I learn new phrases from them. After some time, I open my notebook. I write a few English sentences. I write, "I am sitting in a coffee shop. I am drinking coffee. The place is quiet and peaceful." I read the sentences out loud. I repeat them again and again. A person sits at the next table. He opens his laptop and starts working. He looks focused. After a while, he looks at me and smiles. I smile back. He says, "Nice place, right?" I say, "Yes, it is very comfortable." He asks, "Do you come here often?" I say, "Not often, but I like this place." We start a small conversation. I speak slowly and clearly. I try not to feel nervous. He says, "Your English is good." I feel happy and say, "Thank you, I am learning." He says, "Keep practicing. You are doing well." His words give me confidence. We talk for a few more minutes. Then he returns to his work. I feel proud of myself. I spoke English with someone. It was a small success. I take another sip of my coffee. I feel relaxed and motivated. I decide to practice more. I look around and describe things in English. I say quietly, "The table is clean. The coffee is hot. The music is soft." This simple practice helps me a lot. After some time, I finish my coffee. I pack my things and stand up. I walk to the counter again. I say, "Thank you. Have a nice day." The barista replies, "You too." I leave the coffee shop with a smile. I feel more confident than before. Today was a good day. I practiced English in a real situation. I learned something important. Practice can happen anywhere. You do not need a perfect place. You just need effort and consistency. Now repeat these key sentences. I would like a coffee, please. Can I have a sandwich? Thank you very much. I am learning English every day. I speak with confidence. I improve step by step.